Welcome to Jones Healthcare. In this video, we'll review how to assemble and seal our 31-day single-dose adherence card for pharmacies using SynMed automated workflow solutions. To get started, place the grid panels for each 31-day card over the card positions in the SynMed tray. When placing the grids, ensure the side with the print on it is facing down against the tray and the unprinted side of the panel is facing up. Place the blisters through each grid panel and into the tray. When all of the panels and blisters have been placed, insert the tray into the SynMed machine. When the filling process is complete, remove the tray as instructed and ensure the loaded medications are verified for accuracy. Now, you can begin the sealing process. As you move through this video, please note you will repeat each step outlined for all 10 cards in the tray. First, locate the pre-separated adhesive panel and remove the liner on the back. With the adhesive side facing down, orient the adhesive panel over the blister and the grid panel in the tray. Align the 3 cut marks on the left side of the adhesive panel with the 3 alignment marks on the SynMed tray to ensure the panel is positioned accurately. These marks are also located on the right side of the card for left-handed technicians to align the panels. A close-up of the cut marks on the card and the alignment marks on the tray is shown here. Once the panels are aligned, place pressure on the back of the card to engage adhesive. Then, use a 4-inch roller to apply pressure in a vertical motion. Roll multiple times and ensure the roller reaches all edges of the card to create a tight seal. Now you can turn the card over, peel the medication summary label, and affix to the top of the card. Before dispensing, the pharmacist should instruct the patient on the proper use of the card. To access the contents of a blister, the patient can turn over the card, puncture the blister backing, peel back the label, and remove the medication. Before dispensing, ensure the pharmacist has verified the medications for accuracy. Please note, the card is not child-resistant and should be stored out of the reach of children. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or you're looking to place an order, contact the Jones team today.